Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to put limit order on Coinbase. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So let me explain to you guys that what is Coinbase. So Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading app, or it's actually also a wallet that you can download in your iOS or Android devices. So first I'll get you started with the wallet so you can start there once you're done. So let's just get started. So first off, you have to download the Coinbase wallet mobile app and create a new wallet. If you're new to the application, you have to create a new wallet, or you can actually import your wallet from MetaMask or Trust Wallet into Coinbase wallet. So the first step is creating a new wallet if you don't have. After that, your second step is to review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. So after that, step 3 is picking your username and setting your privacy preferences. This is how other wallet users can find you and send you payments. So step 4 is choosing your preferred security method, such as biometrics or a passcode. Like if you're using your iOS, just Face ID you can use for your biometrics. So step 5 is backup your recovery phrase. As I'm gonna remind you that the backup recovery phrase is very crucial in crypto wallet exchange currencies. So your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, and you must keep this safe at all times, since it's the only access to your wallet and others cannot retrieve it for you, and so does Coinbase. They cannot retrieve this phrase for you whatsoever. So you have to select backup to cloud or backup manually. So if you're backing up to the cloud, you'll be asked to set a password to encrypt to your backup, like your recovery phrase, and keep this password safe at all times, as Coinbase cannot retrieve this for you like I said earlier. So if you choose to back up manually, your recovery phrase will be displayed for you to write down or for you to copy in a secure location. After that, you'll have to confirm the first and last words of your recovery phrase to confirm your backup if you chose the manual option. So step 6 is you're all done actually, and your Coinbase wallet is ready to use. So that's just how to make the Coinbase wallet for your ease and more easy access. So let me talk about how to put limit order on Coinbase. I cannot show you the actual thing since I don't really have the Coinbase application, since it doesn't work in my country. So I just have to explain it to you as per now. So here you go to their website. Actually, you can start trading off their web-based browser, and you can understand the type of orders that you have to go through. So how to trade with limit market and stop limit orders. As it's stated here, Coinbase or other crypto exchanges and stock markets like Nasdaq offer multiple different ways to buy or sell assets. Some are simpler, some are more automated, while others require more knowledge but also more control. Since here in Coinbase, for instance, when you navigate onto the assets page, you'll first see basic trading interface. This allows you to buy. Simply just buy, click and buy your purchase, and it will happen automatically. Unlike others such as Binance, where you have to place your stop limit and other things like that, which is really complicated for beginners. You can sell crypto from your portfolio in the much same way like others. But if you want to take more control over a trade, because for instance you think prices are going to move up or down in the future, you can toggle the advanced trading option and manual set to your preferred price. To do that, you'll need to know about a few different types of orders, and let's dig in as you can see here in their website. So Coinbase has an actual advanced trading tools. So in this series, they're going to break down the functions and terminologies. So as you can see here, there's the definition of buy orders and bids and sells, which is also known for asks. So for a specific asset, order books show not only the price buyers and sellers which are willing to pay, but also how many discrete units, as in tokens, they seek to buy or sell at each price. So on Coinbase, billions of dollars worth of buy and sell orders of different types are regularly matched between millions of customers for each cryptocurrency that's available via the Coinbase application or the coinbase.com. You'll find the order book, which gives you a sense of where the market is moving, and it will show you buy orders or bids in green and sell orders known as offers or also asks, which are colored in red. So let's just see here for an example that Bitcoin currently is trading near $30,000 per coin, and you see asks for scrolling down from the top in descending order of value, and you'll see in the bid scrolling up from the bottom in descending order of value that the number of the middle is the spread, so or the difference between the two. So there you go. So here guys is just going to explain to you what the market order and definitions of such, but let's skip to it since we are trying to learn what is a limit order. So here a limit order lets you set a maximum price for the order. It will only execute at this price or better. So here's the example. Let's say Bitcoin is currently trading $30,000 again dollars, and you think it might go lower. So if you like to wait to buy a lower price, you can set the limit order at 0.1 BTC at $29,000, which means technically that you'd pay $290 in fees. Plus fees instead of the $300 you'd pay for via market order. So limit orders are executed in order they appear on the book, and your limit order would only be filled in if the exchange can match a seller for $29,000 or below. Of course, there's no guarantee that the market price will reach $29,000 again, so your limit order may never be filled. So if it's in that case, limit orders are also a good way to trade large amounts because they ensure you're only paying for your preferred price as well. When it only becomes available. The only downside is there's no guarantee your order will be filled, since the market price may never reach the price level that you have specified. So why place a stop order? So here's a quick definition of a stop limit. It's stop limit orders allow you to automatically place a limit order to buy or sell when an asset's price reaches a specified value known as the stop price. This type of order can help traders protect profits and limit losses. So you just don't want to go buy and sell and buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. You also want to place stop limit orders, since this can help you in trading, since it won't go below the value that you have placed in the order, and it might even not reach it, so it might not fulfill the order itself that you have specified as stated here in their website. So you can set two different parts of a stop limit order, which is the stop price at the limit price, and technically these don't really have to be the same amount, and traders use them together to help manage risk. So in crypto you have to learn that there's a lot of risks, so you have to manage those risks. The stop price is based on the best available price and not necessarily the price you set. So the limit price adds an extra control by setting a more precise constraint on your trade. So with the stop limit order, your trade will only go through at your desired price or better. There's no guarantee it will be executed, as I said a while ago. So here's another example as stated here in their website. Let's say you've successfully bought your 0.1 Bitcoin at $29,000 for a price. After doing that some more research, now you believe that it could fall below $25,000. In this scenario, you'd prefer to cash out of your position rather than to wait for the prices to rebound, which you can set stop price to sell if it reaches $25,000 and below, so it will withdraw it automatically. Adding a price limit of $24,950 ensures that once the stop prices reach the limit order, if triggered, will execute that price or higher or lower. In a fast-moving pace or low liquidity market, this can protect you from trading as an undesired price. So that's just the basics, as you can see here, and you can actually read more if you want to learn more about trading in your own Coinbase accounts. So that's all on how to put a limit order on your Coinbase. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching.